Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to talk about arrays. So you're probably not going to understand why arrays are so useful, but you have to know that arrays are really useful. So you need to understand them, right? So let's first of all think of an array or a list at a supermarket. So you have in one paper to buy, you tell what you want to buy so you don't forget it. In one paper you write cheese, apples, eggs, and all that stuff. Okay, so think now to have every single time to write an element in another paper. So you write in the first paper eggs, in the other paper apples, and the list goes on. So that's why we need arrays. So to create an array, we first of all need to create a variable. In my case, let's call it array and set it equal to. So to create an array, you need first of all to open square brackets like that, and here you can write the elements that you want your array to have. So in my case, let's write apple, eggs, and let's say cheese. Okay, so let's first of all print this array. Okay, press F5 and you see we get apple, eggs, and cheese. So what if we want to add an element at this array? We have to write the array, put a dot, and you can see we get all those stuff going on here. What we want is array.append, open and close parentheses, and here we can write what we want to show up in the console. So let's say a chicken. Okay, so if I now run the program, you can see that we don't get the chicken anywhere. Why? Because we need to print again the array. Sorry. So if I now press F5, you can see that we get apple, eggs, cheese, and apple, eggs, cheese, and chicken. So let's now say that first of all you need to know that the first element in an array is 0, the second element is 1, the third element is 2, and the list goes on. So if we want to print a specific value of this array, we can say array, open and close square brackets. Now I want to print the eggs, so I will put inside here 1 and set it equal to the array. Okay, so if I now print the array, and I press F5, you can see that we get apple, egg, cheese, apple, eggs, cheese, chicken, apple, nothing here, cheese, and chicken. So the eggs are gone. Alright, and now what if we want to print only the eggs? To do that, we need to say print array, open close parentheses, 1. And if we now run the program, you can see that we get apple, eggs, cheese, apple, eggs, cheese, chicken, and eggs. Right? I think that's really easy to understand, and you have to understand it because to append a value into an array is something that you're going to do all the time. So practice a little bit, play with arrays, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.